Welcome to this video. In this, I tell you how to make passive income. People frequently envision earning money without working when they hear the term passive income. However, nothing could be further from the truth. While creating passive income does require work. Unlike service-based work, where you must perform the required tasks repeatedly in order to generate income, the work you do with passive income is done only once and then continues to generate income in the future. The way insurance salespeople have made money for years is by earning a small commission from each customer who purchases and keeps paying for insurance. The more customers they sell the insurance to, the larger their monthly income becomes. It might take some time, but people who want to make money passively understand how trading hours for dollars can be limiting. They want to put their time and money to use and keep earning from those efforts. People now go online anytime they have a query about cars because it is the best resource for knowledge on the subject. Making quick money, accumulating riches over time, investing in real estate, stocks, and other things. You can now earn money from writing without being an author. If your material is truly valuable, people will pay you to publish it online. Write a book, video course, tutorial, or informative essay, turn it into an online digital product, and then sit back and get passive money. Develop a software or application product. This strategy goes beyond simply writing an article. You have to have access to someone with technical skills to create a software application for you. Once this is done, you can market the product online or offline and sell memberships. An example of this would be the popular Angry Bird app. Another example might be an informative Android app on any subject. You can do this through network marketing or affiliate marketing. Choose a product or service that you really appreciate and believe would be beneficial to many people. If you don't know enough about these things but are eager to learn, I strongly suggest you learn the passive income idea from books and YouTube videos before starting on it, if you're looking for more passive income ideas. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel to get future videos. Stay tuned for more updates.